Take a look at this. That's water dripping non-stop from a Purifier faucet. And honestly, if yours is doing the exact same thing right now, don't panic. You don't need to call a technician, and you definitely don't need to spend any money on this one. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In just a few minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix this completely using stuff that's probably already sitting around your house. No new parts, no plumber, no cost. Just a simple trick that actually works. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open it up. First, switch off the power to your purifier so it stops pumping water to the faucet, and drain out whatever water's left in the tank. Now turn the control knob counterclockwise to unscrew the wall piece from the faucet. Once that's off, pull out the red rubber seal. You'll notice the ceramic cartridge is attached right to it, so just set that whole thing aside. Now here's the actual problem. Look inside that rubber seal, and you'll find a tiny spring. Over time, with regular use, that spring just wears out and loses its tension. And that's really what's been causing your drip this whole time. Step 2, make your own fix. Here's the fun part. Grab an old bicycle tire tube, a pair of scissors, and a marker. That's literally all you need. Place the red seal on the tube and trace around it. Then cut it out. Don't worry if it's not a perfect circle. It really doesn't need to be. Fold it in half to make a semicircle. Then fold it again into a little cone shape. Snip off the tip. Unfold it, and just like that, you've got yourself a homemade rubber washer. Step 3, put it back and test it. Place your new washer right on top of the white cartridge, then press the red seal back into the wall piece, pushing firmly all the way around so it seats properly. Screw the wall back on clockwise. Flip the power back on and give the tank a few minutes to refill. And there it is, no more dripping. That tiny worn-out spring was the whole issue, and now it's sorted. Hope this saved you a trip to the plumber and a few bucks along the way. Drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching.